Hey Turbo Girl, how are you?
Hi, teacher. I'm fine. Thank you.
That's good. Do you have any idea what we are learning today?
Not at all.
We are going to learn what is perimeter and how to find the perimeter of a figure.
What is perimeter?
Perimeter is the total length around the object. An example is the total distance around the field, one single round. Perimeter may also be described as the outline of an object. Because perimeters are lengths, they are usually measured in centimeters or meters.
Teacher, is perimeter important in our daily activities?
Yes, it is. For instance, when an architect is designing a house, he has to measure the perimeter of the house. Another example is when the owner of a house wishes to put up a fence. He has to find the total length of fence that is required. The total length of fencing used around the land is the perimeter of the land. If the perimeter of the land is 30 meters, then the total length of the fencing is also 30 meters. Thus, perimeter is also used for building purposes. Do you understand the meaning of perimeter and how it is used?
Yes, teacher.
A triangular board has dimensions 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Find its perimeter. To calculate the perimeter of the triangular board, we have to add all the sides. 15 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 8 centimeters equal to 33 centimeters. So, the perimeter of the triangular board is 33 centimeters. Now, look at this photo frame. It has a border. Its length is 20 centimeters and its breadth is 10 centimeters. The perimeter of the frame is the outline of the border. What is the perimeter of the frame?
Let me see. The perimeter of the frame is its outline, which is the sum of the two lengths and the two breadths of the photo frame. 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 60 centimeters. The perimeter of the photo frame is 60 centimeters.
Do you know what is a rectilinear figure? It is a figure that has straight lines. Examples of such figures are shown below. A trapezium, triangle, pentagon. Turbo Girl, can you find the perimeter of this trapezium?
The trapezium is 34 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters. I know that the perimeter of the trapezium is its outline. So, if I add up all its sides, I will get the perimeter. By adding the four lengths, 34 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 equals to 74 centimeters. The trapezium has a perimeter of 74 centimeters.
Good work, Turbo Girl. Let's try another one. What is the perimeter of this figure?
I have to add up all its sides to find its perimeter. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 9 equals to 24 meters. The perimeter of the figure is 24 meters.
Well done. Now, we are going to focus on learning how to find the perimeters of squares and rectangles. We can find the perimeter of a rectangle by adding the two pairs of lengths and breadths together. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to length plus breadth plus breadth. For example, the length of the rectangular field is 5 meters and its breadth is 2 meters. What is the distance that Alan has to run in one round? Distance in one round is to add twice of the length and twice of the breadth. 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equals to 14 meters. The distance covered is 14 meters.
Teacher, do we find the perimeter of a square in the same way?
A square has all equal sides, so the perimeter of a square is equal to the length of all four sides. Perimeter of a square is equals to length plus length plus length plus length.
Teacher, perimeter is indeed interesting and useful. I enjoy measuring perimeter.
That's very good, Turbo Girl. I'm glad to hear that. Alright, let's summarize what we have just learned.
I have learned what perimeter is and what rectilinear figures are. I know how to estimate and find perimeter. I also know how to calculate the perimeter of square and rectangle.
Turbo Girl, are there any questions that you'd like to ask?
No, teacher. I have understood the lesson.
Wow, that's good. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.